In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check word count in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your web browser and signing in if you are not already logged in. Once Notion loads, you should see your workspace with your pages listed in the left sidebar. Next, go to the page where you want to check the word count. The purpose of this step is simple. Notion shows word count for the specific page you currently have open, so you need to be inside the correct page first. Click the page name in the sidebar, and it will open in the main editing area. Once the page is open, take a quick look to make sure you are on the correct document. This is important if you have several similar pages in your workspace. You should now see the full contents of that page on screen. Now move to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional page options and information. After you click it, a drop-down panel will open. In that menu, scroll down toward the bottom. Near the end of the menu, you will see the word count for the page. Notion will display it directly there, so you can quickly check how many words are in your document. If you do not see the word count right away, make sure you are scrolling all the way down in the menu. A common beginner mistake is only looking at the top section of the menu and missing the information lower down. Also, make sure you open the three-dot menu for the page itself, not your browser menu. If you want to check another page, simply close the menu, open a different page from the sidebar, and repeat the same process. This helps you quickly review the word count for any document in your Notion workspace. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.